Hello friends, my name is Muruhan KG. Watching my YouTube channel, I am Steady. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, friends. In this video, I just shared you a list of 7 online hype investment projects which is working for more than 1200 days, friends. Yes, you have it right, friends. All this 7 hype investment projects are working for years. I just spend almost 4 to 5 hours of my time to make research this projects, friends. So just appreciate my work by liking this video and sharing with your friends. And then I just request you guys to check whether you have subscribed our channel or not. If you haven't subscribed our channel, right, please hit the red color subscribe button and click on the bell symbol followed by it. Here I just regularly post online hype investment projects with its payment proofs, friends. By doing that, you won't miss any updates from our channel Hypes Daily. And then, friends, your kind information. Hypes Daily is a YouTube channel. Here I regularly share research hype investment projects by consistently monitoring hype monitors, blogs and forums to check whether the project paying on the day or not, friends. So please consider this video only for educational purpose. Don't take it as your financial advisory video, because we are not financial advisor, friends. TradeBestLimited.com. This project status to paying today. This project saying that they are registered under United Kingdom's London, and they are given some contact details. I just checked all those 2 contact details are working, no doubt in that. You can see here this project's live statistic is given here. This project is working for almost 1203 days till date, and this project received almost $212 million till date, and total withdrawal made from the project till date is almost $130 million. Project offering you a good investment plans. Plan A, which help you to earn 51% to 150% daily for 2 days. Yeah, to get participate here, minimum investment is just $20 and maximum investment here is $1 lakh. If you invest from $20 to $2,999, then you will earn 51% daily for 2 days. Likely, if you increase your deposit amount, then your earnings will also be get increased, which help you to earn 120% to 160% after 1 day. And here, to get participate here, minimum investment is just $3,000 and maximum investment is $1 lakh, friends. Yeah, my suggestion is, if you want, you can try plan 1. It's really good for all. And yeah, I ask you to invest. If you're in low risk taker, then I ask you to try $20 to $100 here, friends. If you are a good risk taker, then I ask you to try up to $500 maximum with your own risk. And yeah, I ask you to invest Payco or Perfect Money are really best to invest here, because yeah, for Payco or Perfect Money, minimum withdrawal is $0.1, and for all the other cryptocurrencies, minimum withdrawal is $100 here, friends. So I just suggesting you to invest on Payco or Perfect Money is really best. This project offering you a good referral commissions. If your referral turnover is from $200 to $2,999, then you will earn 1%. If you turn over around $15,000 to $1 lakh, then your referral commission will be a 40%. It's really a good option, I think, to make some passive income here. Also displaying latest deposits and withdrawals which are made here, friends. So you can say a maximum withdrawals are taking place in a Perfect Money or Payco. That's why I'm asking to invest through Perfect Money or Payco here, friends. See some technical details about this project. You can see here, friends, this project received almost 6.16 in iPlog index ranking. It's really good sign, I say, as an investor. And this project also received 5-star by the iPlog users review. It's really a good sign, I say, as an investor here. And this project offering you instant withdrawal, as we see before, friends. And this project's Perfect Money wallet is not matched with any other hype investment projects this before. It's really good sign, I see. And this project licensed by Gold Scoder Script. It's also really positive sign. And this project is registered under United Kingdom's London. It also a really good sign, I see. This IP address shows that. And this project also having name server and SSL certified. It also really good sign. And this project's domain is valid up to 1 year. It also a positive sign, I see. And this project received almost really good in Alexa ranking. It also really good sign, I see here. And this project is monitoring by almost 20 publications and 2 hype reviewers are reviewed this project, and you can see here this project similar design looks 0, and this project received almost 328 positive votes and no negative votes were still received different. And you can see this project is monitored by 2 blogs and 10 more hype monitors were monitoring this project. All their statuses are green, it means they are paying successfully, friends. Trade.London, this project status to paying today, friends. You can see a project's live statistics. This project is officially started on 8th October 2021. Still date it working for 1176 days, and total deposit made by the investors are almost $83 million, and total withdrawal made still date is almost $75 million were withdrawn from this project, friends. And this project also displaying their registration certificate number and company certificate is also displaying here. If you want, just download it and watch it out. Project offering you a really good investment plans, friends. Yeah, first plan is starter, which help you to earn 101% to 300% after 1 day. To get participate here, minimum investment is just $10 and maximum investment here is $50,000, friends. If you invest from $10 to $3,000, then you will earn 101% after 1 day, and if you invest from $20,001 to $50,000, then you will earn 300% after 1 day, friends. Yeah, my suggestion is, if you are in low risk taker, then I ask you to try $10 to $50 with this project through Perfect Money or Payco, friends. If you're a really good risk taker, then I ask you to try up to $500 with this project through Payco or Perfect Money here, friends. Investment here is your own risk. You have to analyze your risk and you have to invest according to that, friends. And say, friends, this project also offering you a really good affiliate program. If you referred one invested from $10 to $3,000, then you will earn 1%. If you referred one invested from $3,001 to $5,000, then your earnings will be 10%. If your referred one will be invested will have invested $15,001 to $1 lakh, then you will earn 40% of your referral investment as a referral commission. Also displaying their latest deposits and withdrawals which are made with this project. You can see here, friends, this project offering you a minimum withdrawal of just $0.1 for Perfect Money and Payco. I think it's really a good option to invest here, friends. If you want, you can try Payco or Perfect Money. It's really best to invest here, and this project offering you a instant withdrawal after requesting. It may reflect your it may process your withdrawal within a seconds, friends. Now let me check some technical details about this project. You can see here friends, this project Trade.London received almost 5.05 in iBlog index. It's really good sign. And you can see here this project given 5-star by the 30 iBlog users. And this project, as I said, this project paying you a minimum withdrawal of $0.1 for Perfect Money and $100 for cryptos. And this project paying you an instant withdrawal. And this project's Perfect Money wallet does not match with any other Perfect Money wallet account used with any other hype investment projects this before. This project script is licensed by Gold Skoda, and they also have name server and SSL certified, and their domain is valid up to 2 years. It's really a positive sign. And you can see here this project's Alexa ranking is also seems really good, and country ranking is also good. And this project is monitoring by many publications, and many reviewers reviewed this project. And this project similar design looks 0, and totally 379 positive votes received, no negative votes received still date. And this project is monitoring by 3 blogs, and 9 monitors were hype monitors were monitoring this project. All their statuses were paying, friends. Investment.Exchange, this project status to paying today. See here this project's live statistics. This project is successfully running for 3,367 days till date. Total deposit made by the investors are almost $145 million, and total withdrawal made from the investor still date is almost $99 million. Offering you a good investment plan. Here you can earn from 101% to 300% after 1 day, and your earnings will be very dependent upon the amount you have invested. If you invested from $10 to $2,500, then you will earn 101% after 1 day. If you invested from $2,501 to $3,000, then you can your earnings will be 105% after 1 day. To earn a 300% after one day. You have to invest minimum $20,501 to $50,000, friends. Yeah, my suggestion is, if you want, you can try yeah, with plan one, friends. Here I ask you to invest $10 to $500 maximum, yeah, friends. And here I ask you to invest only through Perfect Money or a Payco, because Perfect Money or Payco minimum withdrawal is just $0.1, and for cryptocurrencies minimum withdrawal is $100, yeah, friends. Project processing your withdrawal instantly, and this project also paying referral commission. If your referral investment is from $10 to $2,500, you will earn 1%, and if your referral invested from $20,501 to $50,000, then you will earn 40% respectively. So some technical details about this project. You can see, friends, this project received almost 6.5 in iBlock index. It's really good sign, and this project given a 5-star by the 31 iBlock users. And you can see this project is monitoring by 12 monitors, and this project processing your instant withdrawal. As I said, friends, this project's Perfect Money wallet address is not matched with any other Perfect Money wallet in hype investment sites this before. And this project is scripted by Gold Skoda and licensed by Gold Skoda, friends. It's really good sign. And this project having name service and SSL certified, and their domain is valid up to 1 year. It also really good sign, and their Alexa ranking is also really good, friends, and country ranking is also seems really awesome. And this project is monitoring by almost 20 publications, and 4 iPreviewers were monitoring this project, and this project received almost 190 positive votes, and 6 negative votes were received, friends. And this project similar design looks zero. It also really positive sign as an investor. And this project is monitoring by 4 blogs, and 7 hype monitors were monitoring this project. All their statuses are paying, friends. Digicoin.insure, this project status to paying today, friends. And this is registered under United Kingdoms. It's really positive sign, I say, as an investor. This project also given you telephone number and a support email, friends. I checked this both this support are working, and here, friends, this project giving their given their registration certificate and also the certification number. And you can see this project's live statistics. This project is officially started on 5th February 20, 2018, and you can see this project is successfully working for 1,406 days till date, and total deposit made by the investors are $151 million, and total withdrawal made still date is almost $72 million were withdrawn from this project. This project offering you a really awesome investment plan one, which help you to earn up to 10% daily for 3 days, and a minimum investment is starting from $10 to $2 lakh from it. So if you invested from $10 to $3,000, then you will earn 1% daily for 3 days, and if you invest from $50,001 to $2 lakh, then you will earn 10% daily for 3 days, friends. Yeah, my suggestion is, if you want, you can try this plan one. It's really good and suitable for all. And here I ask you to invest $10 to $50 if you are in low risk taker. If you are in good risk taker, then I ask you to try up to $100 with your own use risk, and I ask you to invest only through Perfect Money or Payco, friends. Withdrawal type is instant, and minimum withdrawal for a Perfect Money and Payco is just $0.1, friends, and for all the other cryptos minimum withdrawal is $100. And you can see this project displaying latest 20 deposits and latest 20 withdrawals, friends. You can see maximum withdrawals are taking place on Perfect Money or Payco, friends. That's why suggesting you to invest through Perfect Money or Payco. And you can see this project also offering you a good referral commission. If your referral turnover is around from $10 to $3,000, then you will earn 1% respectively. If your referral invested from $50,001 to $2 lakh, then you will earn 30% respectively. Now let me see some technical details about this project. You can see, friends, this project Digicoin.insure has received a 5-star rating on iBlock. It's really positive sign, I say, as an investor. And this project also received a 6.60 in iBlock index ranking. It's really good sign, I say, as an investor. And this project's Perfect Money wallet address is not matched with any other Perfect Money wallet address this before. And you can see this project licensed and scripted by Gold Skoda. It's really positive sign. And you can see here this project having name server and SSL certified, and this project used Namecheap domain for registration, and their domain name is valid up to 3 years. And you can see this project is really good on Alexa ranking. It's really positive sign. And you can see this project's country ranking is also seems really great, and this project is monitoring by almost 20 publications, and 4 reviewers were reviewing this project, and it's really positive sign. And this project similar design looks 0, and this project received almost 344 positive votes, and only 3 negative votes were received here, friends. And you can see here this project is monitoring by 2 blogs, and 12 monitors were monitoring this project. All their statuses are paying, friends. This is really positive sign I see as an investor here. If you want, you can try a minimum risk, as I said before, friends. Superkopilka.com. This project is actually available in Russian language, friends. If you want, you can use Google Chrome or any other translator to translate this page. This project is really a long-term running project, friends. I think it's working for almost 11 years, I think so. You can see here this project having a live chat support with social channels like VK, Facebook, Telegrams, and YouTube channels is also available for this project. And they also given you a live chat support here, friends. If you want, just chat through this project, and if you have any doubts, ask here, friends. And you can see this project is successfully working for almost 450 weeks, I think so, friends, per week. For month there is 50, for year 52 weeks are there. If it's working for 450 weeks, just convert it, friends. I think it may working for almost 9 years, I think so, friends. It's and they are displaying some of the latest withdrawals which are made with this project, friends. And this project allow you to earn little bit different from all the other investment projects we have seen this before, friends. You can see here, if you invest $1,000 here, then you may earn for 30 weeks, or else you can earn for 7.5 months, friends. If you want 30 weeks plan, then you will earn $45 for every week. And if you want for a short term 7.5 months, then you will earn $180 every month for 7.5 months, friends. And you can see this project's recent technical details here, friends. This project was officially started on 13th May 2013, and it working for almost 3150 days till date. And this project have received almost 7.05 in iBlog index, and this project received a 4-star rating by the iBlog users. And this project is monitoring by almost 39 monitors. All their statuses are paying, friends. And this project accepting payment methods like Perfect Money, Payer, and Next Money. And this project's Perfect Money wallet address does not used with any other IP investment projects this before, and it's a really positive sign. And you can see this project IP address shows they are registered under United Kingdoms, and this project IP address does not match with any other IP investment projects this before. It's really positive sign as an investor. And you can say they have name servers and SSL certified, friends. And this project domain is valid up to 9 years. It's really good sign I see as an investor here. And this project's Alexa ranking seems really good. It trades around 17,000. It's really a good sign I see as an investor. And by country ranking, it also seems really good. And you can see here this project is published on many publications, and this project made review by many review projects like Trustpilot, Scam Advisor. Many of them were reviewed this project and listed their sites, friends. It's really a positive sign. And you can see here this project similar design looks 0, and this project received almost 492 positive votes, and only 1 negative vote is received from this project. It's really a good sign I say as an investor. And you can see this project is monitoring by 27 blogs, and almost 12 hype monitors were monitoring this project. All their statuses are paying, friends. And if you want, you can try here $100 to $1,000 with this project with your own risk, friends. And my rating for this project is almost 4 stars as seen iBlog index, friends. Zionfinance.com. This project is really a good project, friends. I give you a 5 star for this project. It's really very good for a long term investors. Let me discuss some live statistics, technical details, and current status about this project, friends. You can see, friends, this project saying that they are officially registered under London, England. It's really true, friends. I just validated their certificates and their company's registration certificate. All are original and 100% trusted and genuine, friends. And you can see here this project having social channels like Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and YouTube, friends. All are really active and people are interacting with the social channels through their admins, and admin also really responsive, and they are answering to their questions whatever their subscribers asked with them, friends. And you can see here they also given you a live chat support here. You can see here, friends, this project is listed on a Trustpilot and many of them were rated 5-star rating here. This project having app in a Play Store. You can see many of them were rated a 4-star to 5-star for this app also, friends. And you can see this project help you to earn 0.2 percentage to 0.5 percentage daily for 1 month to 12 months here, friends. This project offering you a really good referral commission. You can earn 3 percentage of your direct referral investment as a referral commission for inviting this project, friends. And this is some technical details about this project. You can see, friends, your accusal will be on daily. If you choose 1 month, then you will earn 0.20 percentage daily for 6. You can see, friends, now I just try to show you earning methods with this project. If you choose 1 month, then you will earn 106 percentage profit on your investment. If you invest for 12 months, it's 1 year, then you will earn a 280 percentage on your investment, friends. And your earnings, and your minimum investment will be very depend upon the currencies you have chosen, friends. If you invest through USDT TRC20, yeah, minimum investment is just $100. If you invest $100 for 12 months, then you will earn 0.50 USDT for every day, and at the end you will earn 280 USDTs, friends. 180 USDT as your profit. Now let me discuss some technical details about this project. See, this project is officially started on 5th August 2021. Still yet it working for almost 1240 days, and this project received almost 7.83 in a Hypeblog index ranking, and this project received a 4-star by the review by the Hypeblog users. It's really positive sign I see as an investor. And you can say this project allow you to invest through many investment methods, and this project's perfect money wallet addresses does not match with any other hype investment project this before. It's really positive sign I see as an investor. And this project is licensed, and its script is done by Gold Skoda. It's really positive sign I see as an investor, friends. And you can see this project having IP address, and you can see this project having name servers and SSL certified, and this project domain is valid up to 5 years, and they used namecheck domain for registration. And you can see their Alexa ranking is too good, friends. It's around 30,000. I invest as an investor. It's really positive sign I see as an investor, friends. And you can see by country ranking it also seems really great. And you can see, friends, this project is published on many publications, and many reviews were reviewed about this project. Any of the top reviewers or Trustpilot and Scam Advisors, and many of them were reviewed this project, listed this project, and people are reviewing this project, friends. If you want, you can just check it out there. And you can see this project similar design looks 0, and this project received almost 1,000 positive votes and no negative votes were received till date, friends. It's really good sign. And you can see this project listed in 3 forms, and this project is monitoring by 22 blogs, and almost 39 monitors, hype monitors, were monitoring this project. All their statuses are paying, friends. And as an investor, I just suggest you to invest minimum $100 with this project, and I ask you to try almost 4 months to 6 months plan. Yeah friends, it's really good for all, and I just give 5 star for this project friends. Solidtradebank.com. This project status 2 paying today friends. I just give a 5 star for this project. I just try to tell you why I just given 5 star rating for this project later. And you can see friends, this project is officially started on October 6th 2021, and still it working for 3004 days. And this project is listed on 62 monitors. All their statuses are paying. This project received 4 star in iPlog index friends, and this project allow you to earn a 0.2% daily for 25 business days, or else you can also earn a 2% weekly for 26 weeks friends. Yeah, your earnings will be from a daily or a weekly basis friends, and your minimum investment to get participate with this project is $25. And to this project offering you are just 0.5 percentage on our referral commission friends. And this project allow you to invest through Perfect Money or Payco, and this project's Perfect Money wallet addresses does not match with any other IP investment projects this before. It's really good sign. And this project is scripted by Gold Skoda and licensed by Gold Skoda friends, and this project's IP address does not match with any other IP investment projects this before. And this project having name server and SSL certified, and this project having used Namecheap for a domain, and this domain is valid up to 14 years friends. It's really good, I feel friends. And this project received almost 1,46,000 in Alexa ranking. It's really good sign, and by country ranking this also seems really good friends. And this project is monitored by many publications, and many reviewers also made review about this project. They are popular IP reviewers like Trustpilot and Scam Advisors are also listed this project in their site friends. It's really positive sign I see here. And this project received almost 612 positive votes and no negative votes were received till date. And this project is monitoring by 3 forms, and 20 blogs were monitoring this project. All their statuses are paying, and almost 39 hype monitors monitoring this project friends. All their statuses were also paying. Yeah.